Hi everyone. All right, this is my last message for you more than likely. Um, just wanting to check in if you wanted to be on camera today, so she's with me. This is Phoebe. I hope you're well. Make sure you get me your journal. So that's what I need from y'all. I need a journal, and hopefully maybe you'll check in with me, email or just a hello between now and the time you kind of go off on your way to the next phase of your life. I'm going to teach this class in the fall, and it's going to be all online, except we're going to hopefully get some placement work done. But it's going to be sort of experimental. So it's going to be, instead of 252B, it's going to be 252A. If you didn't already take A, you can take it, and then you can be part of the experimental group. It would be fun to have some of you back if you're around. We're going to see how that's going to see how online / post-corona service learning is going to work. So hopefully it's post-corona. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Anyways, take care of yourselves. I was really having fun with you, and then we stopped seeing each other, but maybe we'll see each other in the future. You know how to find me. Take good care of yourselves and keep in touch, okay?